Today I'm going to share with you a loaded baked potato soup recipe that is easy enough for beginners to home cooking. So all you need to do is to prep the ingredients in advance, and the one you're going to start with are those diced russet potatoes. So you're going to boil them in a large pot of water, and to boil potatoes I like to add a big pinch of salt to the water and add the potatoes directly to the cold water, fully submerged. And while that's coming to a medium high and getting boiling, you can prepare the rest of your ingredients. And the next thing you're going to do is to cook diced bacon. So in a large soup pot or Dutch pot on medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes, regularly you're going to be stirring the diced bacon until it's browned, and it's going to form bacon grease. I didn't add anything else to the pot at this time. But with that bacon grease at the end, you need to save 1 tablespoon of it for cooking. You can drain the rest and get those bacon chunks onto some paper towel to dry. So you want to cook a tablespoon of the bacon grease with some butter and onion for a few minutes until translucent. Then add in your garlic, stir that around for a minute, and you then whisk in some flour. So what's going to happen is you're going to make a roux with the flour, which takes 2 to 3 minutes until it's light brown. Then it's time to whisk in the milk and chicken broth and raise the burner to medium high to bring the mixture to a light boil. Then it's time to add the final ingredients, and you're going to stir in between each additional ingredient to the potato soup. So first you want to add the strained cooked potatoes. They are fork tender and ready to just melt right into that soup. Then you want to add some salt and pepper, sour cream, cheddar cheese, and most of the bacon, but hang on to some of your cooked bacon because you're going to use it to top the soup at the end. So all you need to do is bring this loaded baked potato soup mixture to a final boil. Just going to take a few minutes on medium-high heat. Make sure everything is stirred together, and then serve it with your favorite toppings. So on mine, you'll always find some freshly grated cheddar cheese, some extra bacon, maybe some cilantro, some fresh cracked pepper. So yummy. You can print all the recipe steps for these recipes I share with you here at sipbitego.com and check out more videos on the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel.